Hi, my name is Giovanni, and let's talk about philosophy. Okay, so philosophy is probably the most beautiful way to question our existence, since the reasoning of the human being is keen to trying to discover the mysteries of existence. So epistemology, ethics, logic, and metaphysics are necessary to penetrate the gloom of the unknowable. Metaphysics is a branch of philosophy that studies the natural structure, components, and fundamental principles of reality. This includes the clarification and investigation of some of the fundamental notions with which we understand the world, such as entity, being, existence, object, property, relationship, causality, time, and space. Along with the logic and epistemology, metaphysics is the most basic branch of philosophy, which uses ontology to explain being as such. Physics tells us that the universe has its origin in itself, since according to physics, the universe was the product of cosmic inflation, in which the universe imploded in a millionth of a second, and most of the matter was created. That was amazing. However, in the absence of evidence, we can just speculate about the origin of the universe, since physics is descriptive and its interpretation can vary. Who tell us that there is no creator of creation? The truth is that the theory of a creator will be possible except for the Judeo-Christian God, since God could be a being of more than three dimensions, will live in three dimensions. Maybe God could be a being of 5 dimensions or 10 dimensions, but it can make it along with the string theory. So God could be a being of more than three dimensions that fulfills the role of being a simple observer of the development of its creation. Considering all the possibilities, the theory that physics offers about cosmic inflation has more probabilities of succeeding, since quantum mechanics offers an enigmatic world of possibilities, also that will depend on the development of physics in later years. Regarding reality, reality is an intersubjective construct that is dependent on the discernment of collectivism. So it is created by us, and it is not independent. Although the nature of the universe is, since we cannot control the weight of a black hole or even a star, but we can control or social reality. As Heraclitus said, everything is in constant flux. Well, at least or reality. Maybe in the case of the universe, it's more like permanent set. There is no beginning and there is no end. Maybe that's the philosophy that governs the universe. Or like Descartes said, empirism rules everything. So if I can think, therefore I exist. Maybe yes, maybe not. The truth is that I believe that our reality is our social reality is dependent of us, and the reality of nature is independent. So it can be truth at until a certain point. Until we can control just some specific things. On the other hand, the concepts are not independent of the application. As Aristotle said, the substance plus the essence form the physical world. In a certain instance, empiricism must be valued, but it must also have limits. In hindsight, metaphysics explains everything related to being and the fundamental structure of existence. Physics has the most justifiable or plausible answer regarding the creation of the universe, since it give us a purely scientific version of reality, a magnific psyche. In turn, it is plausible that there is a God, but the universe does not require one for its operation. Therefore, the physical world functions under a fundamental principle of rationality and not idealism, while reality depends purely on the ideological consensus of the human species. Certainly, philosophy is necessary to justify our survival in this meaningless world. Maybe we can just think and think and think again and again about things like Nietzsche, but but we are more than our surface. Believe that. And thank you to you for listening to this psych of this teenager. Thank you.